These are a pair of Dunks that I've been wanting to put my hands on since 2021, and I got them. Now let's unbox it. Once I seen that Nike was re-releasing these shoes, I knew for a fact I had to get it, because initially when this shoe came out in 2021, I was not excited about it, but it started to grow on me the more that I seen it, and I was upset that I slept on it, but now I'm happy that I got a pair. Let's just go ahead and open it up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. These bad boys. These bad boys. That new shoe smell, it's like, it just does something. These are going to be the Dusty Olive Dunks, which they came out in 2021, I think it was July, August-ish when it first came out. And like I said, it wasn't something that I liked. The colorway was dusty, but now it's undusty to me. When I say this colorway is fire, this is a superb colorway. Out of all the shoes that they released for the month of November, this is a pretty good shoe. And when I say that between this and the Wheat Dunks that came out at the same time, I'm happy that I got these. With this shoe, I do believe that this is something that a lot of people slept on. I slept on this shoe at first when it came out in 2021. I didn't like it. I didn't see the point of it or the colorway, but it slowly started to grow on me, and I was upset that I didn't buy them because these are fire. These are straight fuego, in my opinion. Take a look at the shoe. Overall, the colorway itself, it's gonna be suede across the entire shoe, and it's gonna have the green, the dusty green, dusty brown. But one of my favorite parts about this is that it has that mustard yellow, and this mustard yellow gives it a perfect touch. It actually makes the shoe stand out a lot more, in my opinion. Laces here as well. These laces do everything. This gives it so much character. I'm happy that they put the laces in there. I do wish that they put an extra pair of laces, like a green or a brown pair. That brown pair would have been fuego if they dropped a brown pair in the box with these, but it's okay. I'm gonna pick up a pair and swap them out, then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Then taking a look at the bottom sole of the shoe, you're gonna have white across it with the yellow bottom, that mustard yellow bottom that's gonna match the laces. And like I said, I think this is a good option. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but I do want you to like, comment, and subscribe. If it's your choice, you don't have to, but drop your comments below and let me know, do you believe that this is a good shoe for the fall? Also, if not, what are your colorways that you wear in the fall? Me, I'm a brown, shades of brown type of person. Brown and maroon, but green is definitely getting added to the collection. Yeah, so I will catch you guys next video. Flaco is out.